In this edition of FFS Pro Quick Tips, we're going to review adding a module to an EVO 550 or EVO 5000 existing console configuration. The first step in this process will be to cut power to our EVO console. Now that the power is removed, we can go ahead and open our front of our console and access the modules inside. So you can see here we've got our 3 modules on our intrinsically safe side, or the light blue modules, and then we've got one plate that's silver. That's our spacer plate or our blank plate, which covers the area and is a requirement to keep this section of the console intrinsically safe. So we'll start by loosening our screw at the bottom. Set that aside. We're going to just put our hand in there and hold that in place as we loosen the one up top. And then we just slowly lower that blank plate off to the side, and now you can see we've got space there for our new module. We'll take our new module out of our static bag. Again, we're going to look for the alignment pins at the bottom and at the top. That's going to align our module and allow us to slide it in. Once we get that aligned, we should be able to slide the module back into place. Now that we're in there flush with our other modules, we can go ahead and tighten our screws. So now we see green lights across the top indicating that all of our modules are operating properly. One thing to remember about the EVO 550 and EVO 5000 consoles are the modules will work or count towards the barrier here in the middle. So if we had two 2-wire modules, this would be our first module, this would be our second module. Same goes on this side, on our non-intrinsically safe side. So if this was our first relay and we had a second one here, then this would be the first and this would be the second. They count towards the barriers. We can shut our console up, and at this time we can go in through the touchscreen or the web interface, go under our system parameters, system configuration, modules expected, and make the adjustments for the proper module that we install.